Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Tasha and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and share these videos. If you guys don't already know, your girl's hair don't like the winter season. Like, it does not do well. If you've been in my vlogs in Jamaica, you will see my hair was thriving and emphasizing. It was doing its thing on its own. I didn't have to do much. But when I'm in Canada and I have to deal with the winter, especially when it snows, I have to be very cautious when it comes to my hair. And because I have a bad scalp, I have to be careful when it comes to my scalp. I knew my hair was thriving good in Jamaica when I had a video chat with my brother, and he's just like, sis, your hair and your skin looks so nice out there. And I was like, really? Like, I know. What I like is that when I'm back home, I'm more prone to using natural things like aloe vera and just making my own gel, or just cutting it up and putting it in my hair. Like, I would naturally do more things like that because I would just naturally have aloe vera on the counter, or I'll go on the road and just pick it up. Like, I was more prone to do that. Like, I know I have those things when I go to the grocery store here. Am I quick to do it as much as I am back home? I don't know. I just feel like my hair is just in a better state when I'm in a sunnier climate, but that's not where I live. I live in Canada where it's cold most of the time. So I just want to share with you guys some very helpful tips when it comes to your natural hair. If you live in a cold climate like I do, like Canada, because if you know, this winter is just extra cold. It just feels like the coldest winter ever. And the other day when I was outside shoveling the snow, I was like, my hair. In the wintertime, your hair could be very dry. So you want to moisturize your hair, okay? And not only do you want to moisturize your hair, you want to add a lot of water when you moisturize it. After you wash it and you do your curly hair routine, you're putting in your curly hair products, you want to make sure you put a lot of water in there. I ain't joking. Like, put that water in your hair, you guys. And you want to hear that sound when you are squishing your hair, because water is like a natural moisturizer, at least for me. Like, I can't believe I went through so many years of my life not knowing how much water I was lacking in my hair. When it comes to the winter seasons, you want to have more of like a leave-in conditioner. You cannot skip conditioner. You cannot skip, don't skip the conditioner. When you shampoo and you don't condition your hair, it's like getting ready, putting on your pants, and you didn't put on your underpants. It's needed for that extra protection, or you're just going to feel weird having on your pants without your underpants. As soon as I get into the shower, when I'm going to wash my hair that day, I shampoo it and I put in the conditioner, and I leave in the conditioner for the duration of my shower, and I wash out my conditioner in the end, because you're leaving in the conditioner longer to absorb in your hair, especially if you take warmer showers. So now it's really penetrating through your hair. You also want to use a leave-in conditioner if you see that your hair is just extra dry and brittle, and just to give it that extra moisture. I don't live near the hair store anymore. Now I mainly go to the Walmart when it comes to my hair care products, because they actually have a lot of natural hair products at Walmart, and they're actually not at a bad price. Like, I realize that sometimes at the hair store, I'm actually paying a little bit more. More times I go to Walmart and it's on sale. It's like a red tag. I'll be buying it for under $13. This is the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner that I've used in my hair that works very well. You want to use a very creamy based moisturizer, and you want to leave a good amount in there because the winter really can dry out your hair. Next, especially when you're going outside, you want to cover your hair as best as possible with a scarf, with a hat. When you put on your jacket, tug it back, put on your hoodie. You want to have your hair less exposed to the dryness, to the wetness, especially if it's snowing. Just exposed to the cold climate when it comes to your hair, just to avoid it getting dry and brittle. So the other day, like when I said I was shoveling, I did not have my hair covered and the snowflakes were falling in my hair, the coldness. I went over a week without washing my hair. It was like a week and a half, and I definitely had to wash it that night because I was like, no, I need to moisturize it. I need to wash it. I just need a reset with my hair right now. I do my best to avoid heat styling. I've been a straight natural for decades, you guys. Back then, when I used to straighten my hair, especially in the winter, my hair would be so dry. I didn't even like mind the dryness. Yeah, I know, crazy. The heat plus the cold plus just everything. You want to do less of that and embrace with your natural hair, do protective styling, you guys. You want to do the styles that is going to leave the moisture in your hair. You want to do the styles that's going to put less tension on your hair. I would do like twist outs, braid outs. I would do my curly hair routine. And at night, I usually, which is major key, you guys, I wrap my hair at night. And this is something that I've been doing for the last 2 years. Just like how I was amazed with the water, is just as amazed as I was when I would wrap it. Who would think water and wrapping your hair can make a major difference, especially in the winter? I feel like right now, this is my hair being closest to how it would be when it's in Jamaica in the nice weather. And I wouldn't even do much. I would literally wash, condition, do a simple hair care routine with just one product, and that would be good for like a whole week. I didn't even have to protect my hair because the weather is nice, and something about the sun and my hair and the moisture and the natural oils and the aloe vera just really sings in my hair, you guys. But when I say I miss the sun so much, I miss Jamaica so much when it comes to my hair and my skin. Like, it's one thing that my hair stays on point, but my skin stays on point even better. And this is somebody who has terrible eczema. So when I'm in Jamaica, I don't even have to do much to my skin. It's naturally good. So that's why I'm giving you guys these tips, because if you're in Canada like me and you just feel like your hair isn't thriving, sometimes these simple things is what you have to do to help your hair. Your hair mainly needs moisture in the winter because the winter just sucks the life out of it. I tie it with this scarf at night, and to be honest, it slides off a lot and it's so annoying. If you have a bonnet, you can actually use a silk bonnet. Sometimes when this comes off a lot at night, I would literally just put it over my pillow. Unless you have like satin pillowcases, the extra satin won't hurt. Like, your hair will get sucked up from like the other materials, but this material just really helps your hair not lose its moisture. When it comes to the winter, understand that the climate is just, it can weigh down a lot on your hair and it can just make it extra dry. Some winters are just so much more colder than some, and we're heading into February, which I remember back in the day, February was like one of the coldest months ever, but January is really being annoying. Like, December was crazy too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and also hit that hype button that's also down there. It helps my channel out so much. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.